Today on The Blind Pig, I'm going to show you how to make the Aviation. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Aviation stands as a timeless gin cocktail with origins tracing back to the early 20th century. It made its debut in Huge Enslinn's 1916 book, Recipe for Mixed Drinks, a period when Enslinn served as a bartender at New York City's Hotel Wallach. Over the ensuing decades, the cocktail faded into obscurity. The main contributing factor to its decline was the scarcity of Crème de Violette liqueur, a key ingredient which vanished from the market in the 1960s. In 2007, an importer from Minneapolis started importing Rothman and Winter Crème de Violette from Austria at the same time as the modern cocktail boom. Crème de Violette is extremely potent, so it's important to follow this recipe to a T as it calls for just 1/4 ounce. If you use too much, it's going to make your drink taste like potpourri. Let's go ahead and get to it. We have a shaker already filled with ice. We'll start with 2 ounces of our gin. We love the Botanist gin. We use that frequently on the channel. 2 ounces of that. We're going to use a 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur. Then, as I said, we're going to use a 1/4 ounce of our creme de violette, being careful not to overpour so we don't get that potpourri flavor in our drink. Got a beautiful purple color. Should really make this drink look gorgeous once I pour it out. And lastly, we have 3/4 ounce of lemon juice that I already have freshly squeezed. Go ahead and give that some shakes. We'll strain that into our coupe glass. It's got that beautiful lavender, light lavender color to it. And for our garnish, a Luxardo cherry. Cheers. Love this drink, guys. I think you're going to also. Crème de Violette can be a little hard to find. You might have to order it online or ask your local store to order it for you. But if you can get your hands on it, guys, a little goes a long way. It's a great drink. I think you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Ground 4, please.